guys, welcome back to my channel. That was a really loud clap. My name is Deva Monae and I'm here. I'm alive. I'm living my best life now. I've gone through many things since the last time you guys have seen me. I've been through a bit of drama. I've been through, life's ups and downs, but I'm back. And I'm ready to get a head start. I'm ready to start running. I'm tired of sitting. I'm ready to start running. You guys probably looking at me like I'm crazy. Yes. But no. But yes. Yes. So today's video is pretty much a back to school video for everyone who wants to start experimenting with makeup, or for those who are going back for in-person and want to look their best. Whether you are in high school, college, or middle school experimenting with makeup, this is the look for you. It's a simple makeup look that you can use every day. It takes less than 10 minutes to do. I know that we're all going through issues right now with certain things that we can't mention unless we're going to, get rained on by the YouTube gods. But whether you're going back to school in person or remotely, this look is for you. Let's hop into this video. Alright, so we're going to start this look off with a basic layer of, foundation and concealer. You guys have seen my routine for that, so I'm just gonna skip ahead and get to the exciting parts. So alrighty, so as you can see, we already got this done and we got the foundation done, so we're just gonna recreate this on this side. So I've already applied the Milani eye primer. I have applied that to both my eyes, and we're gonna use the Rocky News from Maybelline. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush that I got from Slay Bella. You guys saw that they had sponsored me before, but yeah, we're gonna use that. We're gonna go into this light tan shade right here just to create an even layer across our eyes. Let me grab my mirror, and we are just going to apply that across the entire lid to make sure the entire lid is one color. Alrighty, so that's what it should look like. It's just a basic light color. After that, we're going to switch brushes. We're gonna go to this angled brush that I also got from Slay Bella. It's the Mermaid Frenzy set, if you guys want to look them up. And we're gonna go in for this dark shade right here. This is like the brown shade. I always use this for my eyebrows. At least I used to use it for my eyebrows, and then I got a new eyebrow pencil, pretty much. But yeah, we're gonna take that. We're gonna take this into the inner corner, and we're going to make it into a wing. Pretty much to a wing. This is where the angle comes in because it'll help you keep everything in line. So we're going to do that, and we're going to blend it upwards too, and blend it into about the middle of the lid almost. So that's what it's going to look like right now. It's just going to be a little wing. Then we're going to go in for this darker tan look right here. And we are going to switch brushes again, back to our fluffy edge brush. Pick some of that up onto the brush and apply this to like the middle-ish area up into the crease. And then we're gonna go back in with this, with the brown shade that we used before, and blend the upper area into the brow bone almost. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to dive into the Milani Gilded Desires, if you guys can see. There we go. We're going to go into that. And we are going to take this tan shade right here. It's not really a shimmer shade. It's more of a, a matte shade. So we're going to take that. We're going to take a flat brush. We're going to apply it to just the lid. Be careful, because yes, it's going to show up as it is right now, but we are going to blow it out a little bit. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like right now, but we're going to take a clean brush. I'm using this little fan brush, and we're going to blow it out so that all of the pigment doesn't really show up as heavy. Like that. Once again, we're going to go back with the same brush that we used the brown with. We're going back into the Rocky Nudes. We're going to use this shade right here on the corner of the eye. That's pretty much it with the eyeshadow. So we're going to go in with an eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner from Femme Culture. And we're just going to create a pretty simple wing. I'm going to try and not speak during this because I always mess up my wings when I try to speak doing it. So I might go quiet for a second. Alright, so I got the eyeliner done, thankfully. I got it done in one take. That's pretty much that. And so I'm going to finish off with the Great Lashes, also from Maybelline. Wow, this is a really Maybelline episode right here. But yeah, I'm going to use that for eyelashes. Now the eyeliner and the mascara, you can pretty much customize to as much as you want. Whether you want to downplay it or you want to, you know, glam it up. Whatever you guys wish to. I got a piece of hair in my eyeball. Alright, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going in with my Innisfree Matte Mineral Setting Powder. I love the packaging for this, by the way. Hold on. Wait. It's like cherry blossoms. It's so cute. I love it. But yeah, we're going to go in with that and set everything. Oh, hello. I look like a ghost. Wait, okay. Okay, so we're done setting everything with the eyes. So I'm going to go in with my brows. I'm going in with the Benefit Brow Stylizer. And I'm just going to shape my We're going to go ahead and shape my eyebrows. We're going to go ahead and shape my eyebrows pretty much as a natural shape. I'm going to follow its natural curve pretty much. Now that the eyebrows are done, I'm going in with the Christine Siriano New York lip gloss in the shade Love Notes. And I'm just going to put a light layer on my lips. You can substitute the lipstick also for pretty much like chapstick too, or a tinted chapstick. Everything is customizable depending on your school rules and what your school allows and what you feel comfortable wearing pretty much. But yeah, that's the finished look. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It adds like a dewy finish to your face and adds brightness to your face. And it took less than 10 minutes pretty much. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed that, let me know by leaving a like down below, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are doing even though everything is going on. I know a few of you guys are going back to school, and even if you're not and you're doing it all from home, get dressed up for no reason. It'll just be something fun for you pretty much. If you guys like this look, let me know by leaving a comment down below. Also, leave a like, help boost this channel. And while you guys are at it, if you guys want to see more of my quickie ways, let me know by hitting that big red subscribe button and stay along with my journey. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!